Let's practice English sentences together. तूं हर वक़्तु ॻाल्हाईंदो रहीं थो. You keep on talking all the time. किताब जो 10 नंबर सिफ़ो खोलियो. Open the book on page number 10. महिरबानी करे मुंहिंजे लाइ कुर्सी आणियो. Please bring a chair for me. उहे मींहुं शुरू थियण जो इंतज़ार करे रहिया आहिनि. They are waiting for the rain to start. महिरबानी करे पंहिंजा जूता ॿाहिरि रखो. Please keep your shoes outside. हुन खे ऑफिस वञणो हो पर न वियो. He was to have gone to office. मूंखे डॉक्टर सां मिलणो हो पर न मिलियसि. I was to have seen the doctor. हुन खे इम्तिहान ॾियणो हो पर न ॾिनो. He was to have taken the exam. मूंखे अम्मा सां गॾु वञणो हो पर न वयसि. I was to have gone with mother. हुन खे हिते अचणो हो पर न आई. She was to have come here. हुन खे वञणो हो पर न वियो. He was to have gone. मां तव्हां खे केतिराई भेरा फ़ोन करण जी कोशिश कई पर तव्हां जो फ़ोन बंदि हो. I tried to call you several times, but your phone was switched off.